So today I'm going to be showing you all this glowy makeup look. I'm getting ready to go to the pub just with my friends a bit later, and I want to do something a bit different, just a bit more natural. So this is the finished look. I'm going to show you how I got it. I am using quite a few new products because I did go a bit wild and buy quite a lot of new things. So this is me testing out quite a few new bits as well. But I hope you all enjoyed this video and let's get into it. So to begin, I'm going to start with my Urban Decay primer portion just to prime my eyelids to make sure that the eyeshadow goes on nice and smooth. I'm just going to blend that using my finger. Then I'm going to take this eyeshadow base as well. It's just like a concealer just to make sure that my eyelids are neutral. So once my eyelids are primed, I obviously move on to my eyeshadow. So I'm using the Morphe 350 palette. This is my favourite one ever. And I'm going to take this brown here just for the crease. And then I'm just going to take the similar colour here and I'm just going to put this on the outside of my eye. So just down here. And then for the main colour, I'm going to take this brown here. And I'm just going to pop this all over my lid. And then because I do want a little bit of shimmer, I'm going to take this colour here and I'm just going to put it all over the lid but not drag it up to the crease. I'm just going to literally put it a little bit on the lid. And then to blend it all out, I'm just going to take the brown again, but just a really little bit, and I'm just going to blend it. So once I've blended out the eyes, I'm going to move on to my face because then I will go back to my eyes after I've got the rest of my makeup on. So to prime my face, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Wonderglow, and I tried to get my hands on this yesterday and I couldn't get it because it was out of stock. And my friend Lucy was in town today, so I asked her if she'd pick me one up, and she came and actually dropped it off this afternoon so I could use it in this video. So thank you so much. Everyone needs a friend like Lucy. So I'm using this because it's more of an illuminating primer and I do want my skin very glowy, so I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my fingers and then pat it on my face and then blend it in with my hands. I do have quite oily skin anyway, so I normally go for very matte makeup, like a matte primer and a matte foundation, everything, but I am going to try and go a bit more in dewy and just see what happens. So yeah, I'm just going to be using my MAC concealer because I really like this one, so I'm just going to put this under my eyes and on any blemishes I have. Sadly, I have got quite a few spots at the minute, but I think it's just because I went out last weekend and I seem to always get spots like every time I drink. And then for my face, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked Skin One and Done. I've never used this before. I did just buy this yesterday as well. But I am really looking forward to using it because I always use the Naked Skin foundation. But I wear that like every day, and I wanted just something that could be a bit lighter and just try something new, I guess. So I'm just going to pop that on like so. So far I really like this, and it's not really heavy coverage. It seems to be blending very well, which I like. That's all blended in. It is quite light coverage, so if you do want something a bit heavier, then I probably wouldn't use that and I would go in just with the foundation. But next I'm just going to contour my nose, so I'm using my Estee Lauder cream contour palette and I'm just using this brush and I'm just going to contour down my nose. And then I'm just going to take my beauty blender and just going to blend this out. And then for my powder, just to set everything, I'm taking my Hello Flawless and just a big brush, and I'm just going to put this all over my face, just a little bit. And then for my face contour, I'm taking MAC Give Me Sun Mineralized Skin Finish, and I'm just going to put this on my forehead and on my cheeks. And then I'm just going to take some banana powder just to clean up the contour. And then put some on my forehead. And then for my cheeks, I'm just going to take the Carey, this Mineralized Skin Finish. And I'm just going to apply this to my cheeks, up my temples and on my nose. And for my eyebrows, I'm just taking the L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper. Push this through. I did dye my eyebrows and they did go really dark, so this is like making them super dark. And then I'm just going to blend all my eyeshadow out because I will be doing my eyelashes. I'm not going to put fake eyelashes on. I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and put mascara on just because I want this makeup to look really natural. So I'm not going to put false eyelashes on. I'm just going to blend all this out. And then I'm just going to apply this goldy colour on the inside of my eyelids because I just want it to be really golden. And then for the outer corner, I'm going to take the same colour that I used for the crease and I'm going to put this under the outside of my eye, but underneath, just on the waterline. And then for my eyelashes, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes with some eyelash curlers and then use my Benefit L'Oreal mascara. I will put another layer of mascara on, but just while that is drying, I'm just going to take my Benefit Eyebrow Glow and I'm just going to use this to highlight. I'm just going to put on another layer of mascara. And then for my highlight, I'm taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle and I'm just going to highlight my cheeks and my nose. And I am going to put a tiny bit of mascara on my lower lash line. I wasn't going to, but I feel like it needs just a little bit. And then for my lips, I'm taking my trusty Primark lip liner. And I didn't actually lose this the last time I went out. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to line my lips with this, overline them a little bit because I do like to enhance my lips. Once my lips are nice and overlined, I'm going to take Velvet Teddy by MAC, and I've never used this before ever, and I know everyone used to rave about it, but I never got round to like buying it. It was always out of stock or I just forgot about it, but I bought it yesterday, so I'm going to give it a go. The famous Velvet Teddy. It is a really nice nude colour, but I wasn't expecting it to be as dark. It's quite pink and deep, and that's kind of not the look that I'm going for, so I'm gonna change it. So instead I'm gonna take my Urban Decay Stark Naked, and then I'm also gonna take my Urban Decay in the colour Guppy, and I'm just gonna put this on the middle. So that's me pretty much done. I'm going to take my MAC Prep and Prime and I'm just going to spray this on my face to set it, and then I am going to use another highlight as well, but I do like to use that after I've then set it because then it sticks to the spray and it lasts so much longer. That was fresh. And then to finish off my highlight, I'm going to take my Urban Decay Illuminated. I don't know what shade it's in, but it is the gold one. So I'm just going to take this and highlight my cheeks and my nose. So that is the finished makeup look. Obviously it is very glowy, it's quite natural, it's not really heavy covered. I just wanted something a bit different. Usually I would, if I was going out, I'd be wearing like full coverage foundation, eyelashes and stuff like that, but I wanted to just try something a bit more natural. So this is the finished look. Please give it a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'd love that. Give me any video requests you have in the comments below, and hopefully I will see you all in my next one.